Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of oil in our hot pan so that the chicken doesn't stick. I'm not sure if it would stick anyways, but and this is like a silicone brush to brush it around in there. Okay, so once your pan is hot, you're going to throw in the chicken. Oh yeah, applause. Throw in the garlic, the chives, and cilantro. Throw in the cilantro, black pepper. Ooh, that's a lot. Some salt, some brown sugar, some soy sauce, and just for decoration, some sesame seeds. Cooking it up, mixing it up.
A lot of black peppers, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of black pepper. If you could smell this right now, you'd be like, wow, that smells pretty good. That's what you'd be like. You'd be like, hey, that smells pretty garlicky, but also kind of like Asian-ish because of like that soy sauce smell and that sesame seeds. And it also smells like just good, like chicken. Nice cilantro herbs in there. Oh yeah, it's giving me like a really nice smell. I love this. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is open up my Coca Cola. Hear that? That's how you know it's a fresh one. And we're gonna put this in here. Woo! Just like that. The whole Coke. Damn. Look at that. And we're gonna let that cook for a while. Look at that foam. I can just drink it. Oh, it's raw chicken though, so I'm not gonna eat it. I like Coke. I like chicken. I like this. I like what's going on here. We got the foam, we got the chicken, we got the Coke, and now we got, oh yeah, it actually smells like Coke, and like, you get those nice cilantro. Oh yeah, that actually does smell really good, because it's like sweet, and like, that Coke smell, like, there's nothing like it. Oh yeah, like I feel like I'm taking like, ooh. I can just like eat that smell. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but like sometimes there's like a smell, but it's like you can taste it. And like that's the smell I can taste. It's like I'm drinking a Coke and also having chicken wings, which is like what I love. I love Coke and chicken wings. So I just combined them. And now we don't have to like be like, oh, Coke here, chicken wings here, just all at once. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cover it for a little while. And let the Coca-Cola reduce a little bit, I guess. Let the water drain out of it, because they put lots of water in it. Okay, so we've been cooking it for about 10 minutes here. And, ooh, there's still a lot of Coca-Cola. So we're going to keep cooking it until a lot of this Coca-Cola reduces. And it's going to be delicious, because my wife said so. And she's always right. Married men, that's a tip for you. Your wife is always right. Alright, so now the Coca-Cola has been reduced. As you can see, it's nice and dark. These chicken wings, they look really good. Like there's a really nice glaze on them. So I'm going to take them out, put them in the plate, and we're going to eat them up. Maybe some sesame seeds for color. And a little bit of cilantro leaf just for color. Kind of like a garnish.
Done. Let's go try it.
Too hot to touch.
Okay.
Yeah, very sweet.
It's we put too much sugar. We can put less sugar too. But it's great, pretty good. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Smells good of the cilantro and garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hot. Mmm. Good. Mmm. Perfect. Not salty too, no? But we did put too much black peppers. Spicy sauce. Good with hot sauce too. Ooh, by how I eat my chicken wing and how we eat this chicken wing. A lot of meat left.